Have you ever dreamed of walking where the saints once walked? Of standing in the silence of Lourdes, kneeling at the grotto of Fatima, or gazing at Mary's home in Nazareth and Loreto? Join me, Father Dyson, on Pilgrim of Hope, a spiritual journey across the Marian shrines of Europe, from Rome to Lourdes, Fatima to Medjugorje, and every sacred stop in between. Each episode will take you deeper into the stories, miracles, and messages that shaped the faith of millions. Let's walk together as pilgrims of hope in the footsteps of Mary. Follow Pilgrim of Hope, coming soon on Spotify, because every journey of faith begins with a single step.